Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 face flower pots in detail briefly. The best face flower pot links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. AIMEBBY Face Planter Pot. Made of lightweight but super durable premium resin. They can endure time and weather even placed outdoor, which will last for years under the sun. The opening diameter is 3.74 inches, bottom length is 2.75 inches, height is 7.67 inches. Cute face planter can be easily used in any corner of the house, office, workplace, definitely. Each planter pot comes with a small drainage hole at the bottom, increasing drainage efficiency when watering, and protecting the health of your plant. Advantages: indoor and outdoor use, drainage hole and plug, lightweight and durable. Number 2. Cute Succulent Planter Flower Pot. If you're looking to add some creativity and flair to your garden, then our Lady Head Design Planter is perfect for you. With a little bit of imagination, you can create a one-of-a-kind piece that will really stand out. This flower pot is the perfect gift for your friends and family who love gardening and beautifying their homes. Cute Face Planter has a drainage hole to drain excess water, protect plant roots from healthy growth. Plant pot's opening diameter is 4.33 inches, bottom length is 2.95 inches. Height is 6.3 inches. Flower pots made with a special process that ensures they will not crack or fade over time. Advantages: funny planter, great gift for a friend, unique outdoor-indoor planter. Number 3. Adorable Large Girl Face Planter Pot. The head planter is made from a durable and lightweight high-density resin material that will last for years. Fairy plant pot with drainage hole which has removable rubber stopper meets your demand for directly planting plant in the pot. Come with invisible rubber flower pot feet on the bottom of pot. The planter's cavity is approximately 7.1 inches wide x 9.1 deep. Hole pot size: 6.5, height x 7.3. Width x 10.6 inches length. Snowy Sunday Fairy Planter suitable for growing succulents, herbs, cacti or other small plants or flowers. You can also place dry flowers or faux flowers. Advantages: indoor and outdoor use, durable and lightweight planter.